Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's actually a very special video because I'm teaming up with SoCal Evo and SoCal DSM to throw basically like my first canyon cruise. So I was on Instagram and I was like, you know what, I should probably set up a cruise to go cruise it with all the people that watch the channel or just homies overall, and document it. So if you came out to the cruise and you're watching this video now, huge shout out to you because you're making this video that much better, and I appreciate you being there just because to support. What I'm gonna do is head out straight to the spot, see who's there, see how many people show up, and then from there we can head out to the canyon, have some fun, and of course hope nothing happens because this is a DSM and Evo cruise. I know my fellow DSMers that watch this channel and are bringing their cars already know that feeling of nervousness, just at the fact that their car might break down and we just have to live with that. So, but it makes the drive that much more worth it once you come home and everything went smoothly. That's just like one of the best feelings with these cars. So they're a bit of a hassle, but I love them, I can't get rid of them, and I'm always gonna be around them. So I'll put you guys on the GoPro to the drive out there. My bad, excuse my English. Yeah, let's get going, let's have some fun, and let's see who's there. It's very rough, hard clutch. This is so random. Is that even legal? Real question. Oh, there's a Cars and Coffee here right now. We should pass through. It's mainly a bunch of older cars. Everything's clean. Yeah, bunch of older gentlemen. This is clean. I see a bunch of people. Okay, I see everyone here. Hey, shout out to all you guys right here. You got Danny in the house. Then we got Evos and a Type R.
I like that yellow.
That thing is nice. You should go that color.
I want to.
I've seen this car before. What's up, my dude? Looking good, dude.
Thank you, bro. Full manual swap also.
Okay. What's up, man? We got more Evos, more DSMs pulling up. Honestly, it's a really good turnout. Looks like a GST or something. What's up, man? Got the Evo, Type R. We got one DSM right there, M3. Loving this color. You got the 9. This Evo is super clean. Look at this wide body. Looks like the Voltex, but the color contrast of the wheels and the paint is really nice with the Voltex diffuser. What's up, man? Is this yours?
Yeah.
Clean, man. Oh, you got the Gram lights.
Yeah.
Nice. Whose is this?
Yeah, mine.
That's yours? It's all stock, huh?
Yeah.
Dude, that's so rare. Grays. Damn. And the Jello. 10. This is the color contrast I went with my car. Graphite gray with white wheels, so expect that in the channel soon. Bruh, that's a dead rat. Thing's been in a different video too, and it was completely, you were still NA, automatic.
That's good.
Yeah.
Automatic.
Now your manual.
Other tail lights. Now I have EDM tail lights.
Let me
My
see.
rims were black.
Oh yeah. Looks good, dude. Got the Evo. That color's clean, bro. Look at that. Nice to see a 1G. Okay. Another 1G. Okay. What's up? It's nice to see Evos again. And we got Drew. What up? Okay. My boy. It's falling off. All right, guys, so pretty big turnout so far. We waited a whole hour for everyone. Now that everyone's here and they got their gas, we're gonna start heading out to Azusa Canyon. Once we get up there, I do want to roll some 6 cinematics of everyone that's here. So at this point, I'll put you guys back on the GoPro. Try to get as much footage as possible of all these guys here, and then from there we'll see what's up. Hear the exhaust leak? Yeah. more cars came out. Oh, that one's clean. We got Drew in the house. Get off your phone, homie. Plus, I have to let it cool down. It's at 201. She's smoking a bit. Oh yeah. What is that?
Heat wrap. You got 180.
180. I'm at 201. So I'm gonna let it cool down. Alright, we got more people pulling up. Just to kind of cool down for a bit. You never even see these to begin with. So it's kind of cool, dude, honestly. Because I used to see them all the time, but...
Yeah, I was excited to see his come in.
Oh, you got the welds too.
But it's a good turnout.
It's a good, yeah, definitely good turnout. Shout out to you guys that came out, because it ain't a me without y'all. Little 1G love. This is where Carlos comes from. He used to have a 1G before his 2G. Yeah, oh look, it looks stock as heck. Stock blow valve, stock piping, stock turbo. Integra. Got another 2GA. Looks like an RS and another 2G. Stock 2. Yeah. Dude, all the ones I'm seeing they're all stock, dude. That's crazy. What you think, bro? Mr. SoCal Evo himself.
So we gotta come back again.
We come back again, huh? Do a little more. Alright, let's not fall here. Back down to 174, so hopefully they stay down. We still have ways to go up, like a good 15 minutes. So there's so many cars, we're going super slow up the hill right now. That makes the car run hot. Currently at 216. Hope everyone else is doing good, and I hope we're reaching the top already, because this thing needs to cool down bad. Oh wait, I think we made it. Yeah, just in time. Hell yeah. Heck yeah, I made it. I'm proud of you, girl. Because downhill honestly is so much easier. It's just the uphill that's like really hard, especially when you're going slow. It makes the car, I don't know, the car doesn't like it. happened? Park on the street? What's up, dude? Is the show over or is it just starting?
It's just starting, man. First time I get to see your Eclipse in person.
Oh,
man.
for real?
Fucking love it, dude.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Let me park real quick. Alright. Most of these cars are the ones that were at the cruise earlier. Got myself some tacos. I'm gonna eat real quick at the Cheapy build. And we got the DSM. She did great today. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video now. If you guys came out to the cruise, again, a huge shout out to you guys because you guys are the ones that made this video. I honestly was not expecting this high amount of people to come through. It was like 30 plus cars. I was trying to talk to as much people as possible. If I didn't get to talk to you, I'm sorry, but I try to get as much footage as I can. If I missed your car again, I'm sorry. It's not that I mean it. There's so many cars and I was just trying to film, and then I ran out of battery, and I'm literally like on my 3rd battery right now. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video now. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.